In the darkness possibility waits. A shape half seen, half dreamed. Tonight it becomes real. Aggression refined, every line a statement. Every curve a challenge to the ordinary. Light awakens matrix. Technology weaves patterns only the future can imagine. Gloss that captures the world. A surface so perfect it mirrors the future itself. This is more than a car, this is tomorrow. Built for those who dare to lead. Introducing the 2026 next-gen car, where aerodynamics meet artistry. Every curve is engineered for performance. Every line designed to inspire. Innovative lighting that adapts to your journey, illuminating the road ahead. Precision engineering meets cutting-edge design, redefining the driving experience. The 2026 next-gen car, where the future of driving begins. In the silence of the night, a new era of mobility awakens. Hidden within its design lies a revolution in light and motion. A continuous ribbon of light alive with possibility. This is more than a car, it's a vision of tomorrow. Step into the future of luxury mobility. Curved digital displays redefine how you interact with your vehicle. Every detail designed for precision and comfort. A sanctuary of luxury where technology meets comfort. The 2026 luxury car interior, where the future begins. In the 2026 the future driving seen from above. Panoramic glass roof, one seamless sky. From every angle, precision lines. Pure reflections, uninterrupted visibility. Designed for 2026, engineered for you. 2026 Light Reimagine Micro LED choreography. Soft glow, crisp edges. From darkness to definition, design written in photons. See the future in a single beam. 2026 Alloy. Low angle, high drama. Slow roll. Silver and black mirror the light. Red calipers, cross-drilled precision power. You can see design that stops you before the brakes do. In 2026 performance meets intelligence. Watch the future wake, neon veins ignite. Precision LEDs carve the night in cool blue. Smart garage sinks the orbit, reveals carbon fiber. Rain-kissed and alive. The future arrives quietly. Precise neon breathes to life. Systems online. Data flows. Intelligence awakens. 2026 Drive Beyond. In 2026 speed meets serenity. An advanced drive engineered for open horizons. Feel the future in every mile. Own the horizon. Night rain power. Poise headlights carve a path through the storm. Grip precision. Confidence. Elegance in motion. Even when skies break, 2026 own the night. From darkness to definition. Watch luxury come alive. Overhead spotlights awaken. Sculpting every line and curve. LED eyes ignite, chrome grille gleams. Precision reflected. The elegant reveal presence. Power and poise, 2026.